tiny aircraft slipped into the Syrian air defense network like a mole. It carried no bombs. It fired no shot. But it exposed the formidable surface-to-air missile system from within. In a single coordinated operation, most of the Syrian missile network in the Bekaa Valley was destroyed. The drone did not destroy the enemy. It made the enemy reveal himself. For the first time, machines were not only watching the battlefield, they were provoking it. The war had entered a new phase, machine against machine, with humans watching the screen. The lesson spread quickly through defense circles. Building on Israeli UAV experience, the United States Navy adopted the RQ-2 Pioneer.
Confirmed.
The Pioneer was larger and more capable. It carried a larger camera package, a stabilized gimbaled camera, and a real-time C-band line-of-sight video link. It could send live imagery out to roughly 100 nautical miles. It could remain on station for around 5 hours. Most importantly, it was built for ships. Rocket-assisted or pneumatic rail launch, net recovery at sea. It could spot targets, correct naval gunfire, and assess damage after the strike.
Looks like the target vehicle is stationary. Confirming visual ID.
Confirmed. Stand by for further instructions.
Control could pass from one station to another, allowing launch from one site and recovery at another.
Target confirmed. Execute.
The drone was no longer only an eye above the battlefield. It had become an eye above the fleet. During the Gulf War, the Pioneer searched for Iraqi artillery, coastal targets, and battlefield movement. It spotted targets for battleships, corrected naval gunfire, assessed the damage after impact. The gun no longer fired blind. It fired through the eye of a machine. Pioneer drones often appeared before bombardments. They guided airstrikes and became a symbol. For the Iraqi soldier, the sound of the drone meant one thing: fire was coming. They could not fight a bombardment. Better to surrender. They dropped their weapons. They surrendered toward the tiny aircraft. A group of men surrendered. Not to a soldier, not to a tank, but to a machine in the sky. U.S. operators watched it happen in real time.
Enemy personnel surrendering. No weapons visible. Securing now.
U.S. Marines accepted the surrender. Surrender to a drone. The first in history. A drone that could not even shoot. At that moment, the machine could see, but it could not kill. Soon, it would.